on. And now keep in mind, if you are doing is crystal, you can add all the crystal completely full nails, or you can adding like a 3D handcrafted flowers or 3D crystals to completely fill the nail. So I am going to add no wipe top coat, floating on the top. Alexandra, thank you so much. I'm so glad you like it. And then I will save all the video and save all the picture for the preference. So hope everybody really enjoying it. And so now look at this. You see that super cute, adorable of some smaller design right here. You can definitely use this for $5 nail art preference for your clients. You can do like 10 nails simple like this, or 3 or 4 or 5 nails at just salon, so then your clients can get ideas of what they are getting. And I am going to add the centerpiece of this super adorable, this nails right there. And then the smaller SS8, SS10.
Is that crazy? So we have our set up to $300-$400. People willing to pay for it as long as your work is good.
And then I'm gonna add some frame on.
And if you do it correctly, this set will last you 3-4 weeks easily. We have customer come in after 6 weeks, still there.
Yes, so then what is the best way to do if you're like just starting doing a crystal placement? And don't worry that the clients, we have a lot of nail technicians. They will come to us and say that how can I able to introduce the crystal placements with the clients? They are not going to pay for it. They are like, oh my gosh, it's $30 nails. No, you can start with $5 nail art is $5 with the clients, and then have the clients is have, you know, enjoying it and have a taste of it, instead of having them like, oh my gosh, no, I'm not gonna do $30 nails. It's gonna come off. It's not going to come off. If you will place them really close and tight together with condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat, it will definitely gonna back you up and then keep all the nails last so long. So I'm gonna continue filling crystal on. I'm loving this one. This, I always go back with this because I love these colors. This is my favorite kits because it gets give me so many of ideas and also so many. I'm gonna placing along with, and then you see that if I doing it, I usually getting all of my crystals really close and tight together. The closer, the tighter. And then we can fill all the beads in a little bit, or you can fill it along when you are doing. Am I good? Here you go. Oh my gosh, so in love with this. And I put my beads in between. And it's come with different, like, it come with different beads size and in gold. So then you can definitely add them in and get them tight together, okay? And then you see that how even though I using a different sizes, different shape, but I keep them really close and tight together. And I'm gonna go in and add more beads on. I like this gonna be really dramatic because this is the client's going to willing to pay $20 per nails for you, and you want to make sure that this nail is completely blinged out. Some salon charge this for $25-$30, which is this at our salons we do the $25 to $30 on this nail. However, I do it's like average, so then it depends on your salon location, and some salon might be a little bit slightly different from the others. Just give you some preference. And then I'm going to add it really close. And continue, place them the beads on. I just want them to be really stay really close and connect together. All right. Moving on along. Everybody doing okay? Yeah? Just, I'm loving this. Sometimes you see that I got the nails done completely like this, and then the clients love it and they want to have the completely blinged out. I think I need this one. Just look. All right, more beads. And then if you need to adjusting your crystal, you just need to using on the other end of your crystal pickers, and you slightly adjusting it without touching on the other end and touching all the glues on it. So I want to add this one on. And this is size SS 12.
That does not look like a fruit buffet.
Look like what?
A fruit buffet. Oh, you can eat fruit?
It is? Is that what you're thinking?
Look like it. Make me hungry.
Oh. Well, it's had the heart in there. It doesn't look like it's a fruit buffet. Why did you... I should put some pineapple in there or watermelon in there. But if you're not sure how you get start with the centerpiece first, and then you work along with that. So then you can get yours designs without feeling is overwhelmed. It should be really fun to do. It shouldn't be. Alright, I'm gonna add some beads in here next to the heart. This all I'm using from the kits though. I'm so thrilled that I have this kit because then I got everything I need for my crystal placements from the color. Besides, like, you're familiar with our kits like Glitz crystal kits, with so many kits that we have released out, and it's really popular. And this is something you added on your crystal placement game and take it to the next level. I'm gonna get another bead set matching, and then the last one. It's so many, and the bead is so adorable, and it's like different sizes, and you can able to get so many. All right, Pyro will be cute. I know, right? All right, so here for 60 seconds.